Okay, next we go to the second method to evaluate the best location. Okay, this next method is called as factor rating technique. As explained in your slides, there are two factors involved in the factor rating technique. The first one is the tangible factor and the second one is the intangible factors. And the meaning of these two factors have also been explained. So I will just go directly to the calculation part for this factor rating technique. Okay, now this example here says Mega Healthy Private Limited is considering the following sites for its new branch. The following data has been gathered to decide on the best location. Okay, so now you are given two tables. Okay, the first table here mentions clearly the cost factor. You can see the cost factor that is in the first column. So when you see the word cost factor, it refers to the tangible factor. Okay, tangible, cost, they are the same factors. Okay, tangible factors and cost factors. Okay, so the first table is referring to the tangible factors, and you can see clearly the cost factors, they have all the ringgit Malaysia value. Okay, for every location here, Johor Bahru, Tapah, Kelang and Port Dickson, you can see ringgit Malaysia value is given. Okay, and the second table given is the intangible factor. Clearly states, it is clearly stated over there, the intangible factor in the first column for all these four locations. Okay, we will go to the intangible factor later. Okay, now focus on the first table, that is the tangible factor or the cost factor. So there are four cost factors, so don't worry about all these types of cost factors. So, okay, now we go to the first question. Okay, number one, still on that same page, the question here says, based on the annual cost, which location is the most suitable? So when you see the question here that is asking you on the cost, it is based on the annual cost, meaning that you are required to perform a calculation using tangible factor. Okay, so the calculation is very simple. You refer to the table for the cost factor or tangible factor. You add up all the costs. Tambahkan saja semua kos yang diberi. So in this case, for Johor Bahru, Tapah, Kelang and Port Dickson, okay, I have simplified the name sebab tak cukup. JB, Tapah, Kelang and also Port Dickson. So we add up only the total. We only add up the total cost given. So you add up all the four types of costs, which will bring you or give you this. The costs, they are all in thousand. Okay, so ini nombor kecil, ada thousand di belakang dia. Okay, which is actually in million lah. So the total cost for JB is 1,350,000 ringgit. Tapah 1,270,000 ringgit. Kelang 1,200,000 ringgit and Port Dickson 1,280,000 ringgit. So these are the total costs for the four locations. So once you have calculated the total cost, the next thing is for you to assign a rank for all these locations. So what is rank? Rank here means the hierarchy. Susunan, turutan ataupun kedudukan. Okay, that is rank. Okay, so how to assign a rank? You have to search out of these four total costs for these four locations, which one is the best. Okay, so before you start deciding the highest one is the best, just look at this. We are now using cost as our basis, the tangible factor. So with regards to cost, the highest is not the best. So the lowest is the best. So Kelang is having the lowest total cost, so it is the best. So for the best location, okay, the best location, you assign rank number one. Dia berada di kedudukan nombor satu, ranking. Okay, it applies. The same thing applies when you were in school. You are the best, so you get rank number one. Okay, that is the concept of rank. Second best is 1,270,000 ringgit, which is tanpa. So you assign rank number 2. Third best is Port Dickson, 1,280,000 ringgit. You assign rank number 3, and the highest one is not the best, or in rank number 4. So you assign rank number 4. Okay. So the clue here is choose the best first, and remember you are trying to determine the best location with the best cost. So the best cost is the lowest cost. So automatically you assign rank number 1, kedudukan nombor 1. Second best, third best, and the least best. Okay. After you have assigned the rank, now it is time for you to assign the merit. Okay, what is merit? Merit here means marks. Okay, konsep dia sama macam marks, markah. Okay, another name for merit is weight, berat. Okay, marks or merit. Okay, marks or weight, same meaning. So merit here works the opposite of rank. Okay, just now you assign the best location with the lowest cost as rank number 1. So also start with the first rank here, the best rank number 1. You assign the merit, which is the marks. So normally the one with the best rank number 1 must be given the highest mark. So the highest mark here is 4. Why 4? Because we have only 4 locations. So when we have 4 locations, 4 marks is the highest. If you have only 3 locations, then 3 is the highest mark. Okay, for the first rank, the best one, highest mark given. Second rank will be given second highest marks. So this will be 3 marks given to Tapa, which is in the second rank. Then 2 marks or 2 merit given to the third rank, and 1 mark or 1 merit given to the to rank number 4. So konsep dia macam kat sekolah, orang yang dapat nombor 1 markah dia paling tinggi. Yang dapat nombor 2 markah dia rendah sedikit daripada yang rank nombor 1. Nombor 3 markah dia lebih rendah, and yang berada di kedudukan yang terakhir markah dia adalah yang paling rendah. Okay, so that is how you calculate for tangible factor. Okay, once you have performed the calculation, the last thing to do is to make a decision. Don't forget the decision for every question. So how to make a decision? You choose the location with rank number 1, the best rank. So it looks like Klang here is in rank number 1 with the highest mark. So Klang is the best location. You choose rank number 1. So your decision will be Klang is the best location because it has the lowest total cost. Okay, lowest total cost. Okay, you can see here lowest total cost. So by mentioning the location together with the reason, then normally you will be given 1 mark for this. 1 mark only for the decision. This will be about 3 to 4 marks. Okay, so that's all.